Welcome to problem number 23 from the June 2017 Geometry Regents exam. Long story short, in this question we've got a railing and we got to find the volume of it because we're being asked how much metal will this railing contain. So because this shape contains both a rectangular prism and a half cylinder together, what we're going to do is we're going to separate them, and you can see I've already done that. I've drawn the rectangular prism part here and the cylinder, or the half cylinder, over here. And so we're going to find the volume of each separately and then simply just add them together. Now, one very important thing we need to be careful of here is notice that our dimension or our units used are not the same. We have inches and feet, and to avoid any mistakes, we need to make sure that all our dimensions are in the same unit of measurement. So what we're going to do is going to turn the 27 feet into inches, and I know that there's 12 inches in a foot, so all we got to do is multiply it by 12. And so 27 feet is equal to 324 inches. So I'm actually going to change this to 324, as well as this over here. Okay. Now, of course, to find the volume of a rectangular prism, we're going to multiply our length, width, and height together. So if you multiply these numbers together, and of course, I got 1.25 by taking half of our height of 2.5 inches. And if we calculate that out, we get a volume of 1012.5. Now looking over at our half cylinder, the volume for a cylinder is pi r squared h. But because this is a half cylinder, we're going to take that and divide it by 2. So we're going to have pi times our radius. Now our diameter here is 2.5, so the radius will be half of that, 1.25. And our height is 324. And we're going to take that all and divide it by 2. And calculating that should get you 795.22 if we're going to round it. Okay, now to get our total volume, we just have to add our two answers here together, and combined they get us a rounded answer of 1,808 inches cubed. And it looks like our correct answer is option number 3. All right, that's all for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.